Another cold day, calling for snow this evening. Not much, inch or two, last I heard. What do you get a Homestead wife for Valentine's Day? What would she want? I think I know. What do you think? I have a friend that is doing a liquidation sale of an old hardware store, and I got a really good deal on this black gold container mix. Whole bunch of potting soil. Probably like most Homestead wives, she's very practical and she'll love it. Hey, I'm Perry. Welcome to Runaway Homestead. If you're new here, glad to have you. I'm in the barn in my shop. Last video where I finished up that baby bed, I mentioned I was going to be rebuilding our farm table. Let me move a couple of things. And I'm building the base right now. This will have a trestle type bracing and ends, where our table right now has 4 individual legs. These will just be 2 stationary anchors, so to speak, or legs on each end. This is all ash. Where we are in Kentucky the past couple of years, the emerald ash borer has really taken its toll on the ash trees. And working on a golf course where we have a lot of trees, they start dying, they got to come down, and that's where a lot of my rough cut lumber comes from. And so I'm taking this, running it through the planer, not to where it's furniture finished. There's still some saw marks and stuff. I am using a countersink drill bit. It's got this countersink piece here on the end, which allows me to drill through this and put this hole in it. And I don't know if you could tell, but my screws are offset, just so I don't get them in line and end up cracking this across here. So I'm just now getting a start on that. I'm going to get these on, gluing them as well, and after that I think we've got to run out for a while. It's a really rainy day, really good day to be up here. Got to go see Kim's dad, visit with him, and continue just to plane and prep some of this wood and just share with you as I'm going along. Our farm tabletop is actually old bleachers that came out of a gym that I was able to get part of it before they got rid of it. I don't know what they did with the rest. I really wanted to try to save it all because there was over 2,100 feet of bleacher, and it was really still nice wood. Had its share of gum under it, but I didn't do much with it. And this time around I'm going to square up some edges so much food does not fall down where the boards roll. And That way that'll make it a little easier to keep clean. I may run it just lightly through the planer, just to even a few things up, because the boards are kind of different in width or in depth. So I'm gonna get these screwed on here, head back to the house, and I'll pick back up with you all shortly. Thank you much. Hey guys, this is the farm table that I will be rebuilding. I've been under it, taking it apart, and just thought I would show you a little bit of it before I dismantled it all the way. And I mentioned about the way the boards rolled over, and it's just really hard to keep clean. The outer edges I'll leave alone. These edges I will square up so they can butt together and stay a little cleaner. And these legs and base and everything are good. I've just seen something else that I like, so I'm going to change that part on it. But once again, I just wanted to be able to see the before, and then when I'm done, I'll show you the after. Side of the set for the trestle legs built for our kitchen table or our farm table. My cross pieces are 20 inches cut on a 45 just to brace it. I'm gonna have to check my height. Looks a little tall to me. Anyhow, I'm getting ready to get back to the other side. Show you this other, take two. I want to show you this other little inset that I did. It is a whole lot cleaner than the first one that I chiseled out. And thanks to YouTube, I was able to go on there and learn a little bit more, really quite a bit more, and also just how to use the chisel in different ways. So let me turn this around. You can see that is quite a bit cleaner than the other one. And again, I'm just doing this just to help the post keep from twisting, especially during assembly. And that's the part I'm heading to next. Again, I'm using ash wood because the emerald ash borer is killing so many trees. This is also what Louisville Slugger baseball bats are made out of, but I believe they have their own ash farm in Wisconsin. But just a little bit of local history. Okay, I've got these boards pretty much ready to head to the house. I'll finish assembling the top down there. I got these glued together, these other two are glued together, and I'll take the biscuits down, and when I have it sitting on the trestle legs, then I will glue all that and clamp it again, and it's ready for Kim's touches. She's going to paint the trestle legs white. But that's another project on my end that's almost finished. This is the table after running the boards through the planer. got rid of all the rolled over edges that allowed food crumbs to fall down in there. And Kim's leaving the legs like they are for now, the trestle legs. She didn't know. She says she's probably going to paint them white, I would imagine. Yep, she says white. So I finally have finished this video. I'm going to go edit so I can get it out to you.